Hello YouTube friends. Well, I have another Portland leather unboxing, and this time I thought I would try their Almost Perfect line because it was a really good savings, and then I didn't know that they have like loyalty points, so I was collecting a bunch of points too, so I saved a lot on this bag. But here is what it is right there. It's the large zippered tote in the color Sedona. And so let's see if this is actually almost perfect or not. So I just opened it up here, just in this, for the sake of time. Got a little thank you. And I tried the Sedona because I thought if I'm gonna go with almost perfect, the smooth leathers tend to scratch, and so I thought I don't want to deal with a lot of scratches on it to begin with. So I have it nicely packaged here. Take the box out. Wrapped in tissue. Oh, that is pretty. Ooh. So let's play find the flaw. I like all that tissue. Oh, that is pretty. So it's got the big pocket on the front, no pocket on the back. I'm not seeing anything wrong with this. Let's see. No feet on the bottom. Everything looks good. I don't see anything almost perfect. Hold on. Let's see. I'm going to take out all the tissue. Boy, they really stuffed these good. It smells really good. So you've got the Portland leather pocket inside. And it just opens like that. You've got a little key keeper right here. You could hook your key or your sunglasses or anything. It's got the zipper. Okay, the zipper's smooth too. The handles look good. It's got some dust. I don't see any reason why this is almost perfect. Do you guys? I think I really lucked out on this. It's got a nice leather zipper pull. It's got these tabs, and there are tutorials online if you want to tuck in these tabs. I kind of like it. It kind of has a Longchamp feel to it, and I like having something to hold on to while I'm zipping or unzipping. The zipper's nice and smooth, and again, this is the large size. It's beautiful inside, that raw leather suede. Okay, I'm not seeing anything almost perfect about this at all. And I know sometimes that happens where people say, I'm not seeing any flaws. The pebbling is even, oh, maybe this has a little doodad right there. Yeah, that's probably all it is though. And then I'm sure if I use some leather conditioner on that little spot, it'll probably rub right away, but it's not like the finish isn't gone for it or anything. It's just a little ding in the leather. I don't care about that. I guess that is it. That is the only almost perfect part of this, and the rest of it looks great. Okay, so let me get my work laptop, which is bigger, and we'll see how that fits in here, because it'll definitely fit. But now that I'm going back to work on like a hybrid schedule, I am in there half time, and so I'm making great use of all my totes. Oh, look at this. Perfect. So if you have a bigger, like a 14 or 15 inch laptop, this will fit perfectly. Look at all the room it has around it. And then it still zips up, holds everything. I love the handles. They are so sturdy. Wow, those are really thick. Oh, this is a good bag. I see why it's so popular. And I thought I'd go with the zip top because, you know, sometimes you want to keep your items protected. Even in the car, if you're stopping hard and your bag falls off your seat, sometimes it goes all over. And then the other thing I got, since I liked Miss Orange so much from the State Fair, my little leather coin purse, and you could see it in my prior video with the little SLGs I got. I was looking for another one, and I couldn't find them anywhere. I was looking for one to put a link for you guys because you guys really liked her. But I found a shop on Amazon that I had linked in that video. I think I linked it. And I found this little leather owl. He is so cute. So really a similar deal. You could use it as a bag charm. Doesn't have a key ring on this one, but you could definitely add one to it. It's got the little wristlet strap, but it's just a little leather coin pouch or a little storage pouch. That is so cute. I just love it. It was so funny. My daughter's like, ugh. I liked it. Very cute. So anyhow, go to my last sweet SLG video, and you can find the link to the store where I got that on Amazon. But I like this very much. These are so sturdy. And I'm really enjoying, you know, I'm definitely late to the Portland leather game. I know a lot of people went crazy over them a year and a half ago. And at the time I was like, oh, that's too rugged for me. There's no cuteness to it. I don't like that. But it seems like as you get more and more into collecting bags and leather goods, you start to really appreciate nice leather a lot more than trendy styles. And so I think that's kind of the point I'm at now. I don't even really use bag charms very much anymore because I just really like the simple look of it. And it's a crazy world out there. I mean, you're not safe wandering around with your designer tote bags anymore. It's really kind of sketchy downtown in some areas. So this is nice. It is so thick. It's not, I thought it was going to be the type of leather that's really squishy that turns into a puddle, because this is one of their softer leathers, but it is so thick and rich, and that color is beautiful. Now I'll compare it to, I am using actually my honey colored triangle bag. So this is Sedona in the pebbled, and this is honey in the smooth. Love this bag. I've been using it, and you can see the color difference there. One's more of a plain saddle, one is more of a little bit of a red tinged saddle color, but I am very happy with that. I love it. So I will be getting lots of use out of this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.